Be blessed by the divine. How do we build positive thinking and get rid of negative thoughts from our mind through Kundalini Yoga? I'm here at the Aliyar Temple of Consciousness near Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu. And this is the world headquarters of Kundalini Yoga, as I would like to call this divine place as. It is from Swamiji at this place that I learned to analyze my thoughts and build positive thinking in my mind. And this is how I learned it. Swamiji taught us that through Kundalini Yoga, it is possible to go to the alpha level of the mind. When we meditate at the Agna Chakra and later at the Sahasrara Duriya Crown Chakra, we can achieve an alpha state of mental mind state. At that calm state of mind, it is easily possible for us to observe our own thoughts. If we become conscious of what we think and how we think, that is a great start. When we start to observe our thoughts, we can then start to analyze the thoughts. Swamiji gave us a wonderful method of analyzing the thoughts through a process of introspection followed by our meditation practices. Now, during this introspection, we list down all our thoughts and take each thought one at a time and ask ourselves, what is the origin of the thought? Swamiji gave us 6 different origins. Each one of this is discussed in detail and taught to us during the foundation course and later in the introspection courses of the Sky Yoga system. After we find the origin of the thought, we then ask ourselves, will this thought, when manifested in action, result in hurt for self or others, now or in the future, physically or mentally? If a thought is not going to be harmful or hurtful for any one of us, then we know it is a positive thought. Isn't it a wonderful definition for positive thinking? I do not think there is anyone else who has simplified it the way our Guru Sri Vethathiri Maharishi has simplified it for us. Now, once we know that this is a positive thought, we can use the power of visualization and superimposition and build on this positive thinking to allow it to manifest. Swamiji used to assure us that the other end of mind is Almighty Consciousness. Therefore, the divine source is waiting for us to bless us with everything that we wish for. Therefore, we must be careful on what we wish for. Would you like to build positive thinking? This is the place for you. Kundalini Yoga is the yoga for you to learn from. I will provide the link for where you can register for the foundation course at the Aliyar Temple of Consciousness in the description below this video. Do visit that, and when you have time and when you have the inclination, I am very certain that you will come to this wonderful divine place of Aliyar Temple of Consciousness. Looking forward to seeing you at Aliyar. Be blessed by the divine.